a Dredfunn original production. Please sit back and enjoy.
Guys, Dredfunn here with another one of my video uploads and my cool Dredfunn.com shirt. Feel free to check out my website www.dredfunn.com and my Facebook page, Dredfunn. So this is an image of my niece Emma, and I'm going to disappear in a few seconds because I've got her singing. She came down to visit us a while back with her mom and dad and her brother, and recorded some songs with my brother, her uncle, and I'm going to let you guys hear this while I sort of let this image come together of my niece Emma and the beautiful unicorn. Dredfunn out.
Of course, where I had a believer. I throw my hands in the air, saying show something, and said if you dare come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how you feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. So close to the lights you live in. It's not just something you take, it's given. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how you feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold gone. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how you feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay.
This has been a Dredfunn.com production. Thanks for watching.